Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A praying ant. We human beings are not the only ones who know God, and we human beings are not the only ones who believe in God. We human beings are not the only ones who talk to God and pray to Him. Other creatures of this earth also know their Creator and even talk to Him. One day, Prophet Suleman and his followers were going to the outskirts of the city to pray there for rain. In the way, Prophet Suleman saw an ant that was praying with its hands raised towards the sky. Prophet Suleman knew the language of the animals. He heard the voice of the ant that was praying like this: "O God, we are created by you, and we need water and food that you give us. Because of the sins of the human beings, do not annihilate us." Prophet Suleman said to his followers, "Go back, there is no need for us to pray anymore. Because of the prayer of this ant, soon the rain will fall."